As an avid camper, I am always on the lookout for innovative and practical gear that enhances my outdoor experience. The inflatable folding lamp has become a valuable addition to my camping essentials. Combining functionality, versatility, and convenience, this portable lighting solution has truly impressed me. One of the standout features of the inflatable folding lamp is its compact and lightweight design. It can be effortlessly folded into a small, easily packable size, making it ideal for backpacking and minimizing storage space. Setting up the lamp is a breeze. Its inflatable design allows it to expand into a sturdy, lantern-like shape. The process is quick and hassle-free, requiring just a few puffs of air. The lamp's construction feels durable and reliable, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor use. In terms of illumination, the inflatable folding lamp truly shines. It offers a surprising brightness that can effectively illuminate a decent-sized area in your campsite. The inflatable folding lamp's power source is a rechargeable battery, which is a significant advantage for campers who prefer eco-friendly and cost-effective solutions. The battery life is impressive, providing several hours of continuous illumination on a single charge. It can be conveniently recharged by USB, whether from a power bank or solar panel, ensuring you never run out of light when you need it the most. In conclusion, the inflatable folding lamp has proven to be a reliable and versatile lighting solution for camping enthusiasts. Its compactness, ease of use, and impressive illumination make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to brighten up their outdoor adventures. Despite a few minor shortcomings, this portable lamp deserves its place in your camping gear collection.